how to change country, language, or currency in Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's get started. You need to open up your browser and then go to temu.com. Then you can see the language option right in the top right. Now, you can change the language right from here, but to change the currency and country, you need to tap on change country/region option at the bottom. It will take you to a new page. So you just need to tap on the drop down of the country, and then you need to scroll down, or you can search for your country's name and then just tap on your country. So you just need to tap on it, and then uh, you need to switch. So after switching, you'll need to register or sign in again. Now to change language, you'll need to tap on the language drop down, and there are four languages that you can choose from. That is English, French, Spanish, and Chinese. And then currency will change according to the country change. So if you change the country or region you shop from, item availability, prices, shipping fees, and taxes may change, including the item in your cart. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.